Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Wix website. Full guide. Let's get started. First, head over to Wix and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard, where you can manage all of your websites, domains, subscriptions, and account settings. Next, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your website. From the drop-down menu, click on Website. This will take you to the page where all of your Wix websites are displayed. If you have multiple websites under your account, take a moment to find the one you want to delete. Now, click on the Site Actions button located next to the website you want to remove. An expanded menu will appear with several management options. From this menu, select Move to Trash. Your website has now been successfully moved to the trash. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.